The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. Flash flood emergency for northeastern Illinois and northwestern Indiana. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, Lee County in north-central Illinois, LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, Cook County in northeastern Illinois, Livingston County in central Illinois, Lake County in northeastern Illinois, Will County in northeastern Illinois, Ogle County in north-central Illinois, Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, Ford County in east-central Illinois, Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, Kane County in northeastern Illinois, Iroquois County in east-central Illinois, McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, Boone County in north-central Illinois, Benton County in northwestern Indiana, Newton County in northwestern Indiana, Porter County in northwestern Indiana, Lake County in northwestern Indiana, Jasper County in northwestern Indiana, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, unprecedented and catastrophic flash flooding has been ongoing within the last hour across portions of northern Illinois and northwestern Indiana. Numerous road/highway closures, injuries, fatalities, and rising water all across the Warren area have been reported within the past hour due to this unusual event occurring. Radar and automated rain gauges have estimated that 6 to 10 inches of rain have fallen across the Warren area, with almost a foot of rising water. This is a flash flood emergency for northeastern Illinois and northwestern Indiana. This is a mass casualty situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, law enforcement, emergency management and automated rain gauges. Impact, this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include all locations served by the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Chicago. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots.